Imagine, if you will, the mighty Jupiter, a behemoth of the solar system, deciding one day to swallow every planet. First up, Mercury, a small morsel for the gas giant. A blink and it's gone, disappearing into Jupiter's swirling storms. Venus, our twin, follows suit, succumbing to Jupiter's immense gravity. Earth, our home, is next, vanishing into the gas giant's depths without a trace. Mars, the red planet, offers a bit of resistance, but it too eventually succumbs. The asteroid belt, a crunchy snack, gets gobbled up without a second thought. Jupiter then turns its gaze to its brethren. Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, one by one, they all disappear into the swirling maw of Jupiter. Finally, Pluto, the outcast, the dwarf planet, also falls prey to Jupiter's insatiable hunger. In the end, only Jupiter remains, the lone sentinel of our solar system. And that, my friends, is how Jupiter would swallow every planet. Fascinating, isn't it? But remember, it's just a whimsical thought experiment. Our solar system is safe and sound. Until next time, keep wondering, keep dreaming.